So I'm out walking Coco in the park, and she discovers something in the bushes underground, which is basically a baby squirrel that's fallen out of the tree, and it's really weak and was crying, and Coco, for some unknown reason, didn't kill it, which those dogs are kind of trained to do. Not by me, but it's just in their DNA. So I managed to rescue it, and ever since it's been in my hand, it's just decided to sleep and rest. You can just see it's breathing. So I'm just going to take it home and feed it some water, and we'll also give it some walnuts, but it might need some milk. But I'm going to look it up and just make sure that I do the right thing, and also keep her away from Coco. You just never know. You just never know with a Pasadena Terrier. Coco, what do you think of the squirrel? Okay. Hey, you got your eyes open. No, you want to go back to sleep? Fair enough. It's been a hard day fighting off all the dogs on the ground when you can't get back in the tree.